What's up, YouTubers? How's it going out there? Today we got an unboxing of the LG G7ThinQ. Hopefully I said that right. I probably won't say the full name again for the rest of the video, as the name is silly. I believe a lot of others think so too. So we're just gonna call it the LG G7 for this unboxing and go from there. So this is an unboxing, as I said. I'm gonna flip the box around for you that you can see as I'm talking. So got this phone through Google Project Fi. Hopefully I said that name right. Currently with AT&T, but not a huge fan, so we're gonna give Google a try here. As you can see on the side, you've got a sticker down there with some information. 64 gig. Hey Google. This version is the black version. As you can see in the background there is another one. We'll compare that to this. That is the Moroccan blue, I believe. The odd thing is the side of the box says white blue, so not sure if those are two different colors or not, but it's what came through Google. That's actually my wife's phone, so we'll take a look at that as well. So again, you can see the outside of the box. Pretty basic. You see one phone box. You've pretty much seen them all for the most part. So let's see if we can cut this thing open with one hand. Let's flip it over. Let's see if we can switch hands here. Trusty butter knife, you know, that some of the sharpest knives in the world. And there we go. We've cut through the tape. Flip the box back around here. I'm currently recording this on a Samsung Galaxy F7, so that's actually what I'm switching to. Or this is what I'm switching to. So we slide the box off, and there it is. Looks very nice there in its packaging. Let's look at the cover. Here's the cover of the box. He said, nothing. Oh, and the cloth came. I'm glad we flipped it over. Taking an adventure. There we go. The cloth should have stayed on top of the phone like that. So that's what you should see. Inside the box, no writing, no nothing, just black cardboard. Here's the cloth that comes with the phone. Nothing special, just say LG. It's a nice touch that they include that, but I think most people will probably stick a cover on their phone and probably don't use that too often. We're back to the phone. Looks pretty nice in the sleeve there. You got all the cool features that come with the phone. Boombox speaker, I've heard that thing's pretty awesome. AI cam. As the phone released, I believe there were some updates to actually improve that feature, so we'll have to see how that is. Super bright display, which is cool. 1,000 nits, I believe, is what I've been hearing on through articles and YouTube videos alike. So that's what the box looks like open, as you can see. Pretty nice presentation, but it's about the same presentation you get out of every single other phone. So let's grab it out so it looks with the plastic on the phone. So like I said, this is the black version. Looks very nice. There's your dual camera setup, your fingerprint sensor. Kind of see me there. Speaker, USB Type-C, headphone jack. One of the main reasons that I would pick this phone over a couple others. This is supposedly an audiophile's phone. I'm not a huge audio head. I like to pretend that I am, but I really just subscribe to Spotify or Google Play, and that's how I get my music. So, pretty nice device. Extended second year warranty. Pretty cool. Register your device, and you get a second year for free. So that's what's next. That's after the phone, after the cloth, after the phone, and after the slip that you get. Just cardboard. This will have your paperwork and information on it. As you can see, it's basically just an envelope. We can crack that open real quick. See what's in here. And this has my Let's Get Started Google information on here. So, not sure how to set that up yet. SIM tool, just a circle with a hole in it. Nothing crazy about that. You see one SIM tool, you see them all. There you go. Quick start guide. Nobody wants to see this kind of stuff, so there you go. That's that. On to the rest of the inside of the box. You got your headphones, you got your wall adapter, and your cord. Yeah, pretty normal stuff inside here. It's nice that the charger actually comes out of the side. The G4 that I had I believe it came out of the back. It took up quite a bit of space coming out of the wall. It's still a pretty big charger. It'd be nice to see if they get some of these things down, kind of like the Essential Foam. The power brick for that is very nice. Pretty skinny. Makes it so you can bump your furniture up against the wall there. Cord, normal cord, USB Type-C to, I don't know, USB 2.0. Normal USB. There you go. This is the box for the headphones. You can see here, or the earbuds, I should say. Box is nothing special. These are a braided cord. Let's see if we can open it up with one hand here. I can show you these. You get some of your ear tips, just like every other earbuds that you get. Off they come. Presentation on these, not very good, but you're not buying the phone for presentation, you're buying the phone for the phone. But you can see the braided cord in there. They do look nice. I've heard good things. They are supposedly good quality, so I'll have to try those out and see how they are. I believe that's all that's inside the box. You now have the plastic tray, and I don't believe there's anything underneath it. Yep, nothing at all. So that's an unboxing of the LG G7. Like I said, this is the black version. And then I will show you what the phone looks like with the plastic off, but this, remind you, is the blue. As you can see, it's a very interesting color. The back does not feel like glass. It feels like something else, even though I'm sure it is. It feels like a different material. It's very smooth, but not slippery. Everybody says that, well, it's got a great feel in the hand. So it does have a very nice feel in the hand, but we're going to try to get a little more specific here. So painted edges, very nice. The screen on here looks fantastic when you boot it up. We can hold the power on this one and see how it boots up real quick. Going from the Galaxy S7 to the LG G7, not having any phones with a screen to body ratio like this, it's very interesting. It's very different. It's very nice. There is a notch on this phone, as you will see here in a second once we hit this arrow button. We're not going to set the phone up. We're just going to kind of show you what the screen looks like. It is very big, very nice, and that is with the notch cut out there. So it is nice that LG gives you the option to disguise the notch, get rid of the notch. I haven't decided what I like yet. You know, I haven't decided. I still don't really have an opinion yet. I think I'm gonna have to use my phone to kind of figure out what I like the most, notch or no notch. Before I had a phone like this, I always thought I would be against the notch. But you know, looking at it now, it's really not that bad. I kind of like it. I'm gonna try it out both ways and see what it's like. So there you go. We're not gonna set this thing up. You guys can go watch some other videos for that. So again, hey, thank you for watching, and that is the unboxing of the LG G7. Have a good one.